Hey my Raven fans, I just got text message from my friend on Facebook and he's asked me a question. Oleg, I see you very active agent on Facebook for last 4 years. You're probably working for 4 years in real estate industry and you run a small real estate company, the Oleg Group. And I have a couple questions for you because I want to become a realtor. Really? Let me highlight for you guys a couple things about myself because it's clearly misunderstanding about the Oleg Group and about 4 years in the industry. Stay tuned till end of this episode and you will find out. Okay, I'm licensed real estate broker with Windermere Bellevue Commons. I'm working for a big company in Windermere over 30 years in business in Seattle, and very well-known company, represent 25% of sellers and buyers. I also have small team, the name the Oleg Group in this big company, and I'm running my own team. But what's the real value is if I'm just fresh from the school and just got real estate license, let's say yesterday, or working just my first year in the industry, or let's say I'm working in the industry for 20 years, what's the real value in that? I want to give you guys one example. You need to get surgery, you go to the surgeon and you search for somebody for this department to do best surgery for you. So what do you rather get? Somebody who's just from the college or just finished university, never done any surgeries at all in life, maybe just done once and was practice, or you will choose a surgeon who done hundreds of surgeries or maybe like 500 of surgeries like you need to do, and that surgery is really important for you, really important, and will influence your life. And real estate is the same things. In real estate you make the biggest financial decision in your life, buy a home or sell home, and very important to have agents you trusted to. Some people sold one house or maybe 4 houses with a lifetime. They have experience with 4 houses. I don't know any buyer or any seller who sold 500 homes. That's totally different experience, guys, and I'm sure for you guys to work with agents like that, it's a big value. Value number 2, if you choose any agents to work with, agent has to be, like myself, excellent negotiator. This is really important. I'll give you guys just one small example. Happens with me yesterday. My clients was looking for a house for a while. We made few offers, but right now on the east side it's really hot real estate market and picked up a lot this spring. I found suitable house for them, and as experienced agent I was thinking how to help my buyers to buy this home. And listing agent was from another company. He had scheduled open houses for a weekend. Offers review supposed to be on Tuesday. He have about from 5 to 7 showings every single day. I used my negotiation skill to reach out to him. I was talk to him and I negotiate to cancel offer review date on Tuesday, and he called to cancel appointment for 6 other agents who supposed to be showed property that day just because he signed agreement with me. My client's under contract, I'm happy, excited, so goals is achieved. Now I'm out of client and I'm looking for clients again. And that is example when negotiations make huge impact on the purchase and bring a lot of value for the client. Reason number 3 will be excellent connector. With the time, we build huge network of partners, inspectors, contractors, different type of contractors like roofers, siding contractor, window contractors, and we do have a big network people we can offer for you guys. Those resources will be available for you, and those resources, not just resources you can get from Google, those resources was tested with the people somebody trusted and tested with the life. Another thing was very important when you choose to work with real estate broker is his reputation and his reviews. When we have to compete nowadays, and 10 offers on the table and my offer on the table, and that agent has with me before 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions, my client's offer have a bigger chance to be accepted, and that a big value for the client. Reputations matter and references matter, but references you can get only with red carpet service and with the time. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. You will enjoy your week. If you like this episode, smash like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can call me, text me, ask me any questions you want about real estate. I will be glad to be a real estate resource. Make a fantastic week.